Mainly it aimed at the high-risk fire can't approach, can't relay on, and can't extinguish the world's three biggest problem. And it takes more than 7 years that we develop this high-risk fighting drone. And today we will do this demo. It simulates the California building a few weeks before in Chongqing, the fire disaster, and we will see how it works. This drone, our drone, uses a powder tank, which can effectively control the fire of 100 cubic meters of closed space. And in this demo, we will show how it works in a real case environment.